So good morning, fellas. So how is the Josh? How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Alright, so good morning to all of you, respected teachers, dedicated staff, and most importantly, to our dignitaries, first chairman, Mr. Srikanth sir, director Mr. Anil Theka sir, Mr. Nandini ma'am, and our principal Bharti ma'am, Venkata Siddiq sir, and Chandrapur sir. Of our school, Chairman Mr. Srikanth Vatla sir, the Director Mr. Anil Teja sir, Nandini ma'am, our Principal Bhargavi ma'am, Chandrappa sir, and Venkat Siddiq sir. Okay. Students, today we gather not just as a school community but as a proud citizens of the great nation to mark a day of immense significance, our 78th Independence Day. I warmly welcome each and everyone to you this wonderful assembly. So hi, hello, namaste, assalamu alaikum, sat sri akal, adab. So welcome and hilarious welcome and heartiest welcome to the 78th celebrations of our Independence Day. So each year as we hoist our tricolor flag, I am reminded of the countless sacrifices made by our forefathers. Their dreams, struggles, and gifted us the freedom we cherish today. And as we come together, it's our duty to remember and honor the sacrifices. Alright, so now I acknowledge the esteemed teachers, staff members who have joined us today to witness this grand celebration. Now, it's time for the flag hoisting. Now let me request Mr. Srikanth sir along with the management members and principal ma'am to kindly hoist the national flag and lead us in the singing national anthem. So alright everyone, let us lead in singing the national anthem. For hoisting the national flag and singing the national anthem with us. To please sit down, my dear students. And yes, sir, repeat along with me. Jai Bolo Bharat Mata Ke. Jai Bolo Bharat Mata Ke. All right. So thank you everyone for this wonderful interaction with all of us, my dear students. Now I would like to invite Mr. Srikanth sir to address the gathering and share his views and messages on this auspicious occasion.
Today, on the eve of celebrating the 78th Independence Day, my best wishes to all the Trellisians and also to all the proud management members of the Trellis and the staff of the Trellis as well. So today I truly feel like, since from the inception of the Trellis School till today, none of the times that we have seen the full management members, but even now, one management member like Amitabh is coming. So just wanted to give you a quick intro about management members of the Trellis here before proceeding further. Because none of the times we have seen all the people who are been sitting on the dais. So our president, Mr. Venkata Siradeep, okay, and also our vice president, Mr. Chandra Gaur, treasurer, Nandini ma'am, of course, everyone knows, and also director, Anil Teja, and also the proud ST member, Mr. Sirigiri Vijay Kumar, no one might have seen yet, and Amita Priya, who will be joining. So, we all came here today on the occasion of Independence Day. I'm truly, blessed to see that so many decorations which are made by the children, and also I can see the freedom fighter, the way the people dressed up and they came here. And even yesterday we have seen so many students has given a wonderful speeches as a freedom fighters, and which has been telecasted in the Maha TV yesterday. So by looking at all these things, most of the children might have known the struggle that India has taken for almost like 20 decades. And finally we've been enjoying the fruits for the people, for sacrificing their lives, and who stood as the martyrs of the nation. With their sacrifice, now today, the fruit of freedom which we are enjoying. Almost like 200 years the British rule. After that, on 1947, we all know that India got independence. So children, if you could look through the way we were earlier, where we are today, and everyone was talking about that India is being developing, and we are living in the developing nation. I'm repeating this because I told the same things almost like 2 years ago. Where were we and where are we today? Are we still developing or developed? The question to students. Developing or developed already? Wonderful. I like the confidence, the people who are saying that developed already. And developing is a process. Every day we need to develop ourselves. Every day we need to develop our nation, right? So we were almost like, as far as literacy part concerned, when Britishers were ruling India, our literacy rate was almost like less than 12%. But in India today, if you could look through, it has been raised up to plus 77%. Are we not developed in that area? Because there were no proper universities, proper education, and even the people were not having the freedom of selecting their own course and also freedom of joining into the schools. Everything should go under the British rule itself. In the same way, if you could look through, in India, almost all the nations are there. As we have seen, Chandrayaan 3, no one has launched the satellite in almost like, the polar region of moon because of lot of trades. But India is the only nation which has successfully launched with a very low investment onto the moon. None of the nation has done till today, but only India. Right? So that is from the technical and scientific innovations part. And amongst all the nations in the world, India has been recently given the name as an innovation hub. None of the nation in the country has got it, but only India has got innovation hub. Just search through the Google, will get it. Why India has got this innovation hub title? In the sense, India is coming up with more and more people, the young scientists, and we are developing excessively. And since from the 1947, if you could look through, there were no proper medication in India. We used to depend on the foreign companies like GlaxoSmithKline or else the Ranbaxy, something like that. But now India has grown exponentially in terms of the pharmaceutical, and many more pharmaceutical innovations has been led in India. And even the recent past times, if you could look through the devastating stages, like especially the natural part, some time ago cholera, and even some time back polio, and even the recent past time corona. India has defeated everything very successfully. And everyone eyes were on India because of the huge population what we have, what are we going to do? But India is the only nation which has successfully done. The death rate was almost like, less than comparatively to any other nation. And the people who ruled us, United Kingdom, even it was ruled by the Indian origin person, Rishi Sunak. The people who ruled India for almost like 200 years, but the same Indian, he was the Prime Minister recently for United Kingdom, for UK, if you could look through. Rishi Sunak was Indian born. And even in the world's largest economy, that is US, if you could look through, the current president race. Can anyone answer my question, like who's there? The Indian origin lady in US. Kamala Harris. She is also Indian origin, and she's ready to become the President of United States. She's in the race right now. Are we developed? Where were we earlier? Someone else were coming from outside and they were ruling us, and they were telling us, you do this and you do this and you don't have right to do that. But from that stage, India has grown, wherein the Indian origin people were going and they started ruling the other nations. Where were we and where are we today? And even if you could look through the world's 5 most the largest economies in the world. The first one is US. Second one is China, with 29 trillion US and 17 trillion China. And third is Germany, followed by Japan. And it was UK till last before year, which has been replaced by India as the 5th largest economy. People who ruled us were in the 6th position today, and India is in the 5th position today. And soon, with a 3.9 trillion GDP rate. And consequently, India is going with a 7% growth rate. Means soon, we are going to cross Germany and Japan, which are on the marginal level, like when 4.1 trillion, we are almost like a 3.96 trillion. And soon we are going to cross it, and it's going to be the 3rd most largest economy in the very soon, with whatever the plans that India has. Are we developed or developing? This proves us the people who has given their life, who have sacrificed their life, and after their sacrifice, giving their life as a sacrifice for the nation, and who stood as a martyrs for the nation. But Indians not silent. Indians were not silent. They started focusing on every single thing, like science and technology, pharmaceutical services. There were no computer science courses after 1947, but India has become the largest supplier of the IT services, information technology services, and artificial intelligence level in India today. So with this, I just wanted to conclude, and with a positive note, because I always think in a positive way. Where were we and where are we? So we are all growing up children. And also, children are playing a critical role in making the nation developed. Because you are the future. And you have got a wonderful staff here today in Trellis. Through your SPA activities, what is happening in the nation, you are knowing each and every day. None of the children in other schools has got that opportunity, but you got it. You've been developing every day. And you can stand successfully in front of any children, any other school children, in front of any other school children, to talk about whatever the things are happening. So you should be proud of yourself. And with this, I just wanted to conclude my speech, paying a tribute to all the freedom fighters, and also in the memory of the people who have sacrificed their life. And today, after getting, almost like this is a 78th year, we are celebrating the Independence Day, and wish you a wonderful Independence Day and show your, success with all your talent in your independent life in the independent nation. Okay? And thank you very much for giving this opportunity. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your speech. And now it's time to welcome Venkat Siddit, sir.
Good morning, Trailers, and wish you all a very happy 78th Independence Day on this particular occasion. And I thank all my dignitaries who are on the stage and all the children and staff members for this beautiful occasion today. I would like to say I don't want to, say much, but just 2 words. I congratulate everyone on this particular occasion because we not only got the independence and we are continuing and we are sustaining with this particular independence. Everybody will have one question. Sir is saying, sir has told a lot of things. What am I doing on this particular part to be independent and how can I grow towards it? Achieve it something. First of all, we got the independence at the outside. That means you can easily breathe, you can easily walk, you can easily whatever you want to do. Self-independence, like you have to fight within you to achieve something. That we have to start from early age, which is possible with the brand Trellis School. I proudly say that each and every children over here have been encouraged and are being encouraged and will continue being encouraged towards achieving their goals. With this particular positive note, I would say thank you each and everyone, and one more time, happy Independence Day to everybody. Thank you all.
And thank you Venkat sir and Srikanth sir for this amazing speech, and thank you so much sir for enlightening us with our wonderful speech. And now my dear students, can you please give a clap? Now I acknowledge the presence of our esteemed teachers to please support the students in this situation. And now it's time, everybody. So it's time to witness some amazing cultural performances by our talented students. So students, are you ready? I request each and every staff come over here to witness the amazing performances. I request everyone, the grade 1 and grade 2 students on the stage who have come to project themselves as a little version of our brave heroes. So I request all the grade 2 students to please come over here. Hands together and welcome our wonderful students who are going to perform for the song Satyam Palike Harishchandrulam. So I request everyone to please come on to the dais. Different beliefs and the ways of worship. India is a place with many different religions. With immense pride, we bring forth a patriotic dance performance that evokes the spirit of unity. Now it's time to groove to the amazing beats. So I request everyone, so please join your hands together, my dear students, and let's encourage them.
సంఖ్య పెంచుకోవడానికి రెడీ అవుతారా? గర్వాపిసేనప్పుడు గడు మర్చుకున్నాను ఇంకొకరు చేస్తున్న ఈ నినాదాలకు దాగున్న వివాదాలు ఎవరికి అక్కడికి వస్తాయి, ఎవరితో నింపుతాయి? అర్ధాకలతో అల్లాడిపోతున్న దేశానికి నేతలుగా వీళ్ళు చూపించాల్సిన దారి ఇదేనా? మొత్తంగా మనకు కావాల్సింది మతమా మానవత్వమా అన్నది నిర్ణయించుకుంటేనే దేశ భవిత బంగారమై ఉంటుంది. ఇలాగ ఉంటా ఆటలాయిలమ్మే సత్యం పలికే చంద్రులు సత్యం పలికే చంద్రులం తలానికో అబద్ధం నిత్యం నమాజు పూజలు చేస్తాం రోజు తమ్ముళ్ళు చేస్తాం సత్యం పలికే చంద్రులం తలానికో అబద్ధం నిత్యం నమాజు పూజలు చేస్తాం రోజు తమ్ముళ్ళు చేస్తాం
వచ్చినప్పుడల్లా పోయినప్పుడల్లా అల్లా అల్లా అంటూ అల్లాని తలుచుకుంటాం. ఓ మై గాడ్ అంటూ ఆశ్చర్యాన్ని వ్యక్తం చేస్తాం. ఓరి దేవుడు అంటూ దేవుని తలుచుకుంటాం. ఇలా మనకు వీలైనప్పుడల్లా దేవతలందరినీ, వివిధ మతాల దేవతలందరినీ తలుచుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈశ్వర్ అల్లా యేసు ఒకటే కదరా బాసు అని సిరివెన్నెల గారు అన్నట్లు, మనసుకు లేని మతం మనిషికి ఎందుకు? ఈ మతం మన స్నేహాన్ని, మన ఐక్యతని ఎప్పటికీ విడదీయలేదు. మతం పేరుతో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి మారణ హోమాన్ని అరికడదాం. యువతని మేల్కొడదాం. మతం లేదు, కులం లేదు, మనమందరం ఒక్కటే. వి ఆర్ ఆల్ ఇండియన్స్. జై బోలో భారత్ మాతా की జై. జై బోలో భారత్ మాతా की జై. జై బోలో భారత్ మాతా की జై. జై హింద్. జై హింద్. జై హింద్.
All right, that was wonderful, and everybody take a bow for this amazing performance. Give them a huge round of applause, everyone. All right, now it's time to welcome the students of grade 1 and grade 2 on the stage who have come to project themselves as a little version of the brave heroes. Everyone join your hands together for them.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम, ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। కొంతమంది సొంత పేరు కాదుర గాంధీ, ఊరికొక్క వీధి పేరు కాదుర గాంధీ. కొంతమంది సొంత పేరు కాదుర గాంధీ, ఊరికొక్క వీధి పేరు కాదుర గాంధీ. కరెన్సీ నోటు మీద, ఇలా నడి రోడ్డు మీద మనం చూస్తున్న బొమ్మ కాదుర గాంధీ. భరతమాత తలరాతను మార్చిన విధాతరా గాంధీ, తరతరాలయమయాతన తీర్చిన వరదాతర గాంధీ. కొంతమంది సొంత పేరు కాదుర గాంధీ, ఊరికొక్క వీధి పేరు కాదుర గాంధీ. అపురూపం మా చరిత, కర్మయోగమే జన్మంతా, ధర్మక్షేత్రమే బ్రతుకంత, సంభవామి అని ప్రకటించిన నాటి కృష్ణ భగవద్గీత. ఈ బోసి నోటి తాత మనలాగేవో తల్లి కన్న మామూలు మనిషి కదరా గాంధీ. మహాత్ముడంటూ మన్నన పొందే స్థాయికి పెంచదా ఆయన స్ఫూర్తి. సత్యాహింసల మార్గజ్యోతి, నవశకానికి నాంది. రఘుపతి రాఘవ రాజారాం, అతీత పావన సీతారాం, ఈశ్వర అల్లా तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान. रघुपति राघव राजाराम, अतीत पावन सीताराम, ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको సన్నది భగవాన్. గుప్పెడు ఉప్పును పోగేసి, నిప్పుల గుప్పెనగా చేసి, దండి యాత్రని దండయాత్రగా ముందుకు నడిపిన అధినేత, సిసలైన జగజ్జేత. జనకాయంత్రం
చూపించి స్వదేశీ సూత్రం నేర్పించి నూలు పోగుతో మదపు తేనుగల బంధించాడు రజాతి పిత సంకల్ప బలం చేత సూర్యుడస్తమిల్చని రాజ్యానికి పడమల దారిని చూపిన క్రాంతి తూర్పు చెల్లాలని నడిరాత్రికి స్వేచ్ఛావానుడి ప్రమాద కాంతి పదవులు కోరని పావనమూర్తి హృదయాలేలిన చక్రవర్తి ఇలాంటి నరుడొక ఇలాతనంపై నడయాడిన ఈనాటి సంగతి నమ్మరానిదని నమ్మకముదే ముందు తరాలకు చెప్పండి. సర్వజనహితం నా మతం అంటరానితనాన్ని అంతఃకలహాలని అంతం చేసేందుకే నా ఆయువంతా అంకితం.
అందరినీ ఓడించాను.
Bolo Bharat Mata Ki! All right, so it's an eye feast to watch, my dear students. Thank you so much, everyone. So everybody give them a huge round of applause. So they came here to project themselves as a little version of our brave heroes. So thank you so much for your dedication, my dear students of grade 1 and grade 2. Thank you so much. my dear students, for your melodious and amazing performance. And to move on to the next segment, my dear students, a tribute to the Indian Army for their outstanding protection during toughest of hours to protect integrity and sovereignty of a nation. No one can match you and no one can match your power. Sarileru Neekevaru. And now to groove to the beats of the same song, our students of class 6, 7 and 8 are ready to perform. So let's invite them for an amazing and scintillating performance, my dear students. Can I please get a huge clap for all of these, my dear students? Everyone.
భగభగమండే నిప్పుల వర్షమొచ్చిన జనగణ మన అంటూనే దూకేవాడే సైనికుడు ఫెళ ఫెళ ఫెళమంటూ మంచు తుఫాను వచ్చిన వెనకడుగే లేదంటూ దాటేవాడే సైనికుడు దడ 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 దడమంటూ ఇంకాలే దూసుకొచ్చిన తన గుండెను మట్టు పెట్టి ఆపేవాడే సైనికుడు మరణాయుధాలు ఎన్నెదురైనా ప్రాణాన్ని ఎదుర్కొంటేవాడు ఒకడే ఒకడు వాడే సైనికుడు నీకెవ్వరు ముద్దల్లే రహదారికి జోహారు
Yes, sir. Get ready for the mission.
కాపీ సార్
మేజర్ వీఆర్ సరౌండెడ్. వాళ్ళ ఫోర్స్ చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉంది. మనం ఈ మిషన్ గెలవలేం.
అవును, ఎదిరించడానికి ఏముంది మీ దగ్గర? ఆ? గెలవాలన్న ఒక్క కోరిక తప్ప. మీ విరోధం మీకంటే చాలా ముందు పరిగెత్తచ్చు. అందుకని ఏమైనా అక్కడే ఆగిపోతే అదే మీరు చేసే మొదటి తప్పు. చివరి నిమిషం దాకా వెంటాడండి. ఆగిపోవద్దు, అలిసిపోవద్దు, అయిపోయిందని వెనక్కి తిరగొద్దు. ఆఖరి దాకా పోరాడితేనే ఓటమి కూడా గెలుపవుతుంది. రక్తం పారని, కండలు కరగని, గుండెలు పగలని విజయకాంక్షని శ్వాస అయితే ఆవు పీరు నాపుట ఎవరి తరం? ఈ ధ్యేయం నీ ధైర్యం, నీ హక్కే నీ సైన్యం. ఆ సైన్యం నీ తోడుంటే గెలుపెప్పుడు నీ సొంతం. ఇది మన నేల, మన సొంతం. ఇందులో ప్రతి అంగుళం మనది. గెలుపు ఓటమికి తేడా కూడా ఒక్క అంగుళమే. 1 inch, 1 bloody inch. As a team we fight for that inch. We tear ourselves and everyone around us to pieces for that inch. చావుకు సిద్ధపడ్డవాడే ఆ అంగుళాన్ని దాటి గెలుస్తాడు. అలా చావడానికి నేను సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాను. మరి మీరు? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
కోట్ల మంది గుండెల్లో ధైర్యమనే జెండా నాటి అండగా నేనున్నాను అని చెప్పేవాడే సైనికుడు. ఈ దేశమే నాదంటూ అందరూ రావాలంటూ కులరకం భేదాలను భస్మం చేసేవాడే సైనికుడు.
amazing and scintillating performance, my dear students. Did you enjoy it? Everyone, did you enjoy it? All right, so now we have song, music, song, and as well as dance. So can you please guess what the next performance is going to be? Skit? Absolutely right, my dear students. So it's time to move on to the next performance. We are going to witness the skit by the students of class 3 to 8 on the spirit of independence, freedom from slavery, and we must fight for peace and bravery. Freedom is not by, it is the result of the struggles of many brave hearts. So I request everyone to please join your hands together and welcome them. So give them a huge round of applause, everyone.
And 5 British soldiers standing there, but get scared of the soldiers in cage.
This is not only a bird, but it has been coming from many centuries of the Indians being under the control of the British. Here our Indians are awaiting for a new day to enjoy their freedom. Where are you going, you country dogs?
I am going to sell the crops.
Don't you know that there is no selling and buying? If you grow crops, you must sell them to us and buy them from us and live with what we give.
How can that happen? How can you command on us and our crops? These are ours.
You bloody Indians, you should know one thing. Here the air, water and earth are ours.
Here comes Alluri Sita Ramaraju, threatens and fights. You British dogs, have you grown crops to take them?
You rascal, how dare you beat my British? You have hands to massage us, not to fight with us. Shoot him!
Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
Shoot him!
If one dies, many will come out. Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Shoot here! Vande Mataram! Not stopped with one. It was being continuing and many lost their lives and continued with one more. Please, sir, leave my daughter.
You have paid the tax for us, but your daughter still has to pay for me and you.
Please, sir, leave my daughter. Mummy, help me.
Get the girl!
Mummy, help me. Mummy. Enters. Jhansi kills all the soldiers of British and keeps soldiers under her leg.
You scoundrel! How can a lady kill my British people? You are slave dogs and born only to be slaves.
How can you say that we are slaves? And look where your soldiers are. Indian girls are not born to be your slaves. We will eat your heads once we rebel.
Shoot her!
To break our chains of slavery, here comes another freedom fighter.
We should not leave them and teach them lessons this time. This time it is Inquilab Zindabad. Inquilab Zindabad.
They throw bombs and fight with police. My lord, according to law,
No law, only Inquilab Zindabad.
Inquilab Zindabad. What the hell is this?
To stop your slavery, to stop your injustice, we brought Inquilab Zindabad. It will not stop. We are fighting for freedom. If you are thinking that if I die it stops, but it will not stop. Not until we get freedom.
Another freedom fighter who stand as a backbone and started an army.
How dare you rebel against our British? Who is making all of this? Come and tell who that person is.
Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! We got this bravery because of Netaji. Now repeat after us. Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram. तुम मुझे कुंडो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा.
It's good. Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate.
Many lives were lost and many battles were fought. People who are waiting to be free from slavery. We will now salute to all the people who lost their lives and fought till their final breath. तुम मुझे कुंडो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा.
Inquilab Zindabad.
सत्यमेव जयति.
Vande Mataram. No injustice. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to a light and freedom.
Yes, what's the next segment is going to be? Is it a song or a dance or a skit? Okay, now let's consider song, my dear students. So when bravery becomes your armor, every step leads you to victory. Experience the untold story of the greatest battle ever fought. So now to perform O Desh Mere song, let me call upon our students of class 7 on 8 onto the dais. oppression against the British Raj. Now to witness a glimpse of the fierce warrior Manikarnika, the queen of Jhansi in Vijayawada. To replicate this fantabulous song, all my dear sunshines and all my dear moonlights, so please put your hands together and welcome. So students of grade 9 with a huge round of applause.
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपने संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन गए विजयी भव विजयी भव की सुगंध भटकी है रोशनी है छटपटा रही रोशनी अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हम नाज जानना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आसमाना हम कहते हैं हमको प्यार से दुनिया वाले छूटे छूटे तार से दुनिया वाले हर निकले हार से दुनिया वाले छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
Jaw-dropping performance, may I call upon students of class 9 to perform a scintillating dance number on Sare Jahan Se Acha theme music. So everyone, please join your hands together and welcome them. A huge round of applause.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान। दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, सजन मेरा इंडिया, सजन मेरा इंडिया, सजन मेरा इंडिया, सजन मेरा इंडिया।
సత్యానికి జన్మభూమి రావణ దేశం ఎన్నో మతాల సహజీవన సూత్రం భారతం ఆ దైవం మన కోసం సృష్టించే ఈ స్వర్గం ఈ ప్రాణాలు పోసింది ఆ తల్లిగా తన దేహాన్ని ధైర్యాన్ని పెంచిందిగా మనమేమిస్తే తీరేము ఆ రుణమునా ఇక మనకేమి ఇచ్చిందనడగొద్దునా భారతీయులుగా పుట్టాము ఈ జన్మకిది కానురా వందే మాతరం మనదే ఈ తరం వందే మాతరం పలికే ప్రతితరం
To make you to feel like a magic, charms. The chills that you feel when you hear a particularly moving music and a moving piece of music may be the result of a dopamine. Now, to trigger the sensation of the pleasure, everyone, let's invite the students of class 7 to sing a song of Jayamu Jayamu Bharata Mata. So everyone, give them a huge round of applause.
జయము నీకు జగన్నాథ, ఈ జగాన సాటి ఎవ్వరే. ఓయమ్మ నీకు ఈ జగాన సాటి ఎవ్వరే. ఓయమ్మ నీకు గంగ యమున గోదావరి సింధు కృష్ణ కావేరి బ్రహ్మపుత్ర తుంగ భద్ర తపతి నర్మద పెన్నా. పొంగి తరంగాలు నీ మెడలో హారాలు, జీవనదుల కన్న తల్లివే. ఓయమ్మ నీవు జీవనదుల కన్న తల్లివే. ఓయమ్మ నీవు జయ జయము జయము భరతమాత, జయము నీకు జగన్మాత. ఈ జగాన సాటి ఎవ్వరే. ఓయమ్మ నీకు ఈ జగాన సాటి ఎవ్వరే. ఓయమ్మ నీకు హిమ వింధ్య పర్వతాలు దేవతలకు నిలయాలు, దట్టమైన అరణ్యాలు మహామునుల స్థావరాలు, పసిడి పంట క్షేత్రాలు పంచలోహ ఖనిజాలు, నిజము గనియురత్న గర్భవే. ఓయమ్మ నీవు నిజము గనియు రత్న గర్భవే. ఓయమ్మ నీవు జయ జయము భరతమాత, జయము నీకు జగన్మాత. ఈ జగాన సాటి ఎవ్వరే. ఓయమ్మ నీకు ఈ జగాన సాటి ఎవ్వరే. కోటికి తెచ్చి జ్ఞాన భిక్ష పెట్టినావు నిజముగా నీవు జగద్గురువే ఓయమ్మ నీవు నిజముగా నీవు జగద్గురువే ఓయమ్మ నీవు జయము జయము భరతమాత జయము నీకు జగన్మాత ఈ జగాన సాటి ఎవ్వరే ఓయమ్మ నీకు ఈ జగాన సాటి ఎవ్వరే ఓయమ్మ నీకు జై హింద్.
So thank you so much everyone. Now let's invite Teja of class 4 to lend her voice to the rendition of a beautiful song. So can we please give a huge clap to Teja everyone? Segment everyone. So everybody, you heard this famous saying, right? Behind every successful man there is a woman. Yes everyone. Now moving on to the next segment. Empowered women empower the world. Equality knows no gender. Strong women, strong world. It's time to groove to the beats on women empowerment, and let's welcome grade 9 students with a huge round of applause. Everyone, please encourage them with your huge round of applause.
చాలంతా అననే అనవంత వెలుగును పుస్తావు వెళ్ళేదారంతా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువ మగువా మగువా నీ సరదానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా నీ కాటుక కన్ను విప్పారకపోతే ఈ భూమికి తెలవారదుగా నీ గాజుల చేయి కదలాడకపోతే ఏ మనుగడ కొనసాగదుగా ప్రతి వరుసలో ప్రేమగా అందుకున్న బంధన అంతులేని నీశమ అంచనాల కందుమా ఆలయాలు తోరని ఆదిశక్తి రూపమా నీవు లేని జగతిలో దీపమే వెలుగుమా ఇంద్రగుణాలనలో ప్రియమగుతాలనలో ప్రతి ఒక్క మగవాడు పసివాడేగా ఎందరి పెదవులలో ఏ చిరునవ్వున్నా ఆ సిరి మరుపులకు నువ్వేగా మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువ మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా అడుగులే చనిపించు పీడుగులే ఒళ్ళు నిలుచుకో వినుమిది దారిన మెరుపుల భూమినే పద్దాలు గాలమే నీదే కమించి సిబ్బందివే తలవంచే జాతినికే నిజాలవే గుర్తించగా సహోవంటూ మా పేరు విన్నగా కాని కాని చాలిగా ఊరుకోక శక్తిని గని సాటి
right. So now, moving on to the last segment. So after watching all of your beautiful and scintillating performances, one of our faculty member, Rehana ma'am, has inspired and she wants to be part of this auspicious and amazing occasion, and she wants to lend her vocals to the rendition of a beautiful song. So can I call upon stage Rehana ma'am with a huge round of applause.
और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। चलो बच्चा, आज एक बार देखो झंडा कैसे लहरा रहा है। सो ये तिरंगा लहराता झंडा बहुत देश वीरों की बलिदान से बना है। तो चलो आज एक बार आखिर हम उन वीर बलिदानों को एक बार याद कर लेंगे। शुभ दिन है हम सबका तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने हैं प्राण गवाए। कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर न आए, जो लौट के घर न आए। मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँखों में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बान। मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँखों में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बान। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बान। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी। जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी। संगीन पे धर कर माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बान। जब देश में थी दीवाली, वो खेल रहे थे होली। जब तक हम बैठे घरों में, जब हम बैठे घरों में, वो खेल रहे थे गोली। थे धन्य जवानों अपनी, थी धन्य वो उनकी जवानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बान। कोई सिख, कोई जाट मराठा, कोई सिख, कोई जाट मराठा, कोई गुरखा, कोई मदरासी, कोई गुरखा, कोई मदरासी। सरहद पर मरने वाला, सरहद भारतवासी जो खून गिरा बरगद कर वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी जो शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बान थी खून से लथपथ खाया फिर भी बंदूक उठा के दस दस को एक ने मारा फिर गिर गए होश गंवा के जब अंत समय आया तो जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते खुश रहना देश के प्यारों खुश रहना देश के प्यारों अब हम तो सफर करते हैं अब हम तो सफर करते हैं क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बान तुम भूल न जाओ उनको इसलिए कही ये कहानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बान जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद की सेना जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद
All right, thank you so much, ma'am, for your beautiful rendition. Now, everyone, so how do you enjoy the performances of everybody over here? All right, so let's give a blistering round of applause to each and everyone, each and every performers who presented over there. Yes, now out of thanks is going to be delivered by our HM, ma'am.
Good morning, class. How was the day today? Did you understand what is the importance of Independence Day? Thank you. Esteemed management, respected teachers, students, parents, our dedicated CSL coordinators, dance teachers and PTs. On behalf of entire school community, I extend my heartfelt thanks to each one of you for making our Independence Day a grand success. To our management, thank you for your unwavering support and for providing us with the resources needed to bring the event to life. Your vision and guidance continue to inspire us all. Thank you, sirs.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम